Yeah, I really haven't. I got up, I mowed the yard this morning, forgot to get video of that. I really didn't have much energy to do anything else. So, I guess we'll see where this week takes us. I just got out of work, got out of the shower. I got an offer that I can't pass up. I want to pick up a scroll saw for a pretty good deal. But I was trying to get to it before I got back home because I knew it was in town, and I was already in town, but the guy didn't get a hold of me, so I come home, I hopped in the shower, then he got a hold of me as soon as I got out. And my nephew wants to go up to Tractor Supply a minute, so we'll do that too when we're in town. Yeah, got the scroll saw. Got to talking with that guy for a minute. Yep, I had to run uptown a minute, take my nephew to go get what he needed. Now I'm back and it's bedtime. I'm tired. Alright, it's Tuesday. I got back from work and Dylan's got a little project he wants to do. So
I'm gonna make myself some nunchucks.
I'll help him out with that in a minute. We got his project done real quick. Alright, now I'm gonna lock up the shop.
Alright.
Head on to bed.
Alright. Love you, Uncle John. Thank you.
Love you too, bud. Ooh, it's a hot one today. Got me a new metal shed that came in today, which is cool because I said it wasn't supposed to be here till the 14th, so I'm cool with that one. It's here, ready to get put together. Steven's coming over next weekend to help put it together. The following weekend, I got another buddy coming over to help me do the heater core of my truck. Things are slowly getting done around here. I mean, I got a lot to do yet before Steven even gets here next weekend. I gotta move all of this stuff because this is where that shed's going. So I gotta get all these vines taken off of this thing so I can get this thing moved around. I gotta move that wagon. That's gonna go right where the shed is now. So I'm not worried about doing that just yet. This, however, I'm gonna move right behind it, right behind where the shed's at. So that way I can clear this area right here, get a weed whacker in here and get all this cleaned up. I got logs right here that are gonna be turned into certain things. I'm gonna build a table. Those are gonna be the legs of a table for my bathroom. That way I got a place I can put my clothes. When I get out of the shower, I can dry off, grab my towel, dry off real quick, and then get dressed right there. And then I'm also gonna take one and cut it into a quarter, and that's gonna be a little transition into the new addition of the bathroom. Everything's coming together. Yeah, I just looked at the temperature. It says it's 94 degrees right now. It feels like 100. The humidity's up there too. I didn't catch what that is. I know it is. As soon as I stepped outside, I was just instant sweat rolling down my legs. Oh, yeah, it's supposed to be 95 tomorrow and 91 on Sunday. And then we start going back down to the 80s after that. It's gonna be warm, that's for sure. We're about 8 o'clock, ready to get to bed. I just got my laundry done and get a fishing trip going on tomorrow. So I'll see if I can get some video of that. Can't guarantee anything on it, but we'll see. Alright, we got done here with this fishing trip. We're up here now to take pictures and then head back home, divvy the fish up here, and they're gonna fillet them for us. It was a nice charger. Good morning. A little choppy, but we went 6 for 11, cohos and steelhead. It was a very good day. Got home, decided to take a nap. I'm tired, been tired all day. I just got done eating dinner, so I'm probably gonna go back to sleep. But I've been so tired I haven't even had a chance to pick up the video camera and video anything. Next weekend, Steven's supposed to come over and help me with my new shed. We're gonna put that together, so look forward to that. Beyond that, I don't know of anything else I'm doing. This is where I'm gonna end it. Hope you enjoyed this. Like and subscribe. Till next time.